Oh no, I'm making fish sticks for the kids, but we're completely out of tartar sauce. Whatever am I gonna do? Well, I'm gonna show you how to make homemade tartar sauce with a bunch of stuff you probably already have laying around the house. All right, number one, in case you didn't realize, tartar sauce is mainly just a fancy mayonnaise. So I'm just eyeballing this. See? You don't have to have exact measurements, but you start off with mayonnaise and then add some relish. If you have a specific pickle that you like, chop it up. But relish is already chopped up for you, so put that bad boy in there as much as you like. Do it to taste. A little bit more for me. Bam. And then, pause. Lemon juice. You add on some lemon juice. And really, honestly, if you want a super simple, just 3 ingredient tartar sauce, that'll be perfectly fine. That'll get you what you need. But if you don't have dill, add some parsley flakes. You can do parsley flakes as well, just to add a little extra something. And also, if you want a little bit of a kick, Worcestershire sauce will also do it for you. Just a little bit. And then you just get yourself a forky fork, mix it all together. If you had capers, you could add some capers, but who the heck keeps capers in their house? You mix that together, make sure it's all combined real good. And by George, you have tartar sauce. And my phone's ringing, but we'll not worry about that right now because I'm making tartar sauce. And that's it. Hope you enjoy. I know Piper's gonna love it. That's all you need. Mayonnaise, Worcestershire sauce, some pickles, some lemon juice, and parsley or dill. If you have capers, throw some capers in there. You can also put Dijon mustard if you want to be something different. Other than that, hugs and kisses. Love you all. Please enjoy some homemade tartar sauce. Bye. Yeah? Okay.